One of life's greatest challenges is to forgive. Whether it's forgiving others or simply forgiving ourselves, forgiveness is a constant practice that we must engage in because the world is never short on opportunities to hold a grudge or to feel condemned. In this powerful course, I will share with you priceless life lessons on how to make forgiveness a practice. The program is simple, straight to the point, and full of practical wisdom. It condenses over 20 years of experience so that you can benefit in a fraction of the time, and it will arm you with practical strategies to find freedom by learning what forgiveness truly means. This is the 5 steps to forgiveness.